former FTX executive Ryan Salame revisits court over withdrawn guilty plea. Ryan Salame, former FTX executive Ryan Salame, is back in court over a withdrawn guilty plea involving allegations of bribery and campaign finance violations tied to his partner Michelle Bond. Last updated September 12, 2024 at 21:09 GMT3. Author Jimmy Aki. Author Jimmy Aki, about author Jimmy, has nearly 10 years of experience as a journalist and writer in the blockchain industry. He has worked with well-known publications such as Bitcoin, magazine CCN, BUSINESS2COMMUNITY, and author profile share, copied last updated September 12, 2024 at 21:09 GMT3. Why Trust Cryptonews? With over a decade of crypto coverage, Cryptonews delivers authoritative insights you can rely on. Our veteran team of journalists and analysts combines in-depth market knowledge with hands-on testing of blockchain technologies. We maintain strict editorial standards, ensuring factual accuracy and impartial reporting on both established cryptocurrencies and emerging projects. Our long-standing presence in the industry and commitment to quality journalism make Cryptonews a trusted source in the dynamic world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Ryan Salame, former co-CEO of FTX Digital Markets, reappeared in U.S. District Court on Thursday, September 12th, as Judge Louis A. Kaplan addressed his previously withdrawn guilty plea. The court appearance follows the collapse of Salame's original plea agreement with U.S. authorities, which has reignited scrutiny over his alleged involvement in criminal activities. Ryan Salame's guilty plea revisited. In August, Salame's lawyers filed a motion to void his guilty plea, citing a breach of agreement by U.S. authorities. The former executive had initially pleaded guilty to money transmitting charges in exchange for halting an investigation into his partner, Michelle Bond. Bond, a former SEC lawyer, was later indicted on campaign finance violations linked to her unsuccessful run for Congress in 2022. The 4-count indictment against Bond was unsealed just a day after Salame sought to vacate his guilty plea. However, within days, Salame retracted his request to void the plea, leading Judge Kaplan to question the motivations behind Salame's actions. Prosecutors responded by issuing a 32-page memo challenging Salame's claims and defending their actions. New allegations have further complicated Salame's case, linking him to a bribery scheme with Chinese officials. Prosecutors allege that in 2021, Salame took part in a $150 million bribery plot aimed at unfreezing $1 billion worth of crypto assets held by exchanges Huobi and OKX. The plan, linked to Alameda Research, sought to regain access to frozen assets by bribing Chinese officials. This has added significant pressure to Salame's ongoing legal battles. Ryan Salame's legal woes deepen amid stricter penalties. Although Salame retracted his plea and faces health complications, Judge Kaplan has enforced strict bail conditions, including mandatory attendance at all court hearings. In May, the judge imposed a stricter sentence than the 5 to 7 years initially recommended by prosecutors, signaling the severity of the charges. Salame's legal team recently requested a sentencing delay after he suffered a dog bite from a German Shepherd during a visit to a friend's house. The injury, which required urgent medical treatment and surgery, led to the postponement of his surrender date from August 29 to October 13 to allow time for recovery. With Judge Kaplan seeking clarity on the withdrawn guilty plea and Salame facing bribery allegations linked to Alameda Research, his legal challenges appear far from over, leaving his defense team with major hurdles ahead. Follow us on Google News.